We guide you through how to create Google Ads account. So the first thing you need to do is to go to ads.google.com and click start now. Then sign in with your Google account or create one if you don't have it yet. Next, choose your main advertising goal like website traffic, leads, or sales. But if you want full control, switch to expert mode immediately to skip guided setup. After that, select create an account without a campaign. So you can set everything properly before spending money. Then fill in your business information including country, time zone, and currency because these settings cannot be changed later. Once inside your dashboard, go to Tools and Settings, then under Billing, add your payment method like credit card or PayPal to activate your account. After billing is set, you can now create your first campaign by choosing your campaign type such as search ads or display ads. Set your budget, define your target audience, and write your ad copy. And finally, review everything and click publish. And your Google Ads account is now ready to run live ads and start reaching potential customers immediately.